Celebrities are on a constant mission to stay youthful, and while some of them succeed, others are almost unrecognizable as they age. Whether it's due to botched cosmetic surgery, wild partying lifestyles, or stresses that come with being a star, today we're looking at 10 celebrities who have aged horribly. Lindsay Lohan. She's not even 30 and already Lindsay Lohan's fast-paced lifestyle is catching up on her, making headlines for all the wrong reasons including DUIs, parole violations, rehab, and jail stints. The actress now shows considerable signs of aging. Wrinkles, dull skin, and overplumped lips are not a good look for her. Sorry, Lindsay. Mickey Rourke. Mickey Rourke used to be quite the looker, but it's clear he hasn't taken care of himself as he's aged. His bad habits have caught up with him, making his once soft and flawless skin now dimpled, puffy, and wax-like. Not to mention all the plastic surgery fails he's had. But for 62, he's in a pretty good shape though. We'll give him that at least. Pamela Anderson. Once the Baywatch babe and a worldwide sex symbol, Pamela Anderson has tried to maintain the image of her youth, but in all the wrong ways. The 42-year-old dresses and acts like she's still in her 20s, and due to all the work that she's done on her face, her skin looks almost plastic. And all that heavy makeup and signature black smoky eye only makes her look even older. Kate Moss. Discovered at the age of 14, Kate Moss has remained one of the world's most famous supermodels, but at 41, her dull skin and fine wrinkles have replaced her fresh, youthful face. Years of drinking and partying have no doubt taken a toll on her natural beauty. She was, after all, the queen of heroin chic in the 90s. Macaulay Culkin. Hitting his celebrity peak at just 10 years old, Macaulay Culkin made hearts melt as a clever star in the movie Home Alone and its sequel. After that, he fell off the radar, only to come back under the public eye due to drug misdemeanors. He's only in his mid-30s, but even compared to 10 years ago, you can tell the drugs have done considerable damage due to his aging skin and gaunt physique. Steven Tyler. Steven Tyler was the lead singer of Aerosmith, one of America's greatest rock and roll bands. Famous through the wild decade of the 70s, there's no question that his hardcore partying lifestyle has made him look pretty terrible with age. With tons of wrinkles, sunken eyes, and outfits representative of 70s Woodstock, the former heartthrob has lost his spark. Val Kilmer. Val Kilmer was a natural heartthrob in his youth, starring in movies like Top Gun and even going on to play the part of Bruce Wayne/Batman in Batman Forever. At the age of 55, it seems as though time has taken its toll on the actor. He's gained a lot of weight and is almost unrecognizable from the Val that he once was. Kirstie Alley. Kirstie Alley was nothing short of stunning in her golden years. With curly dark hair and a rocking physique, she's made an adverse transformation as she's aged. She's packed on the pounds, which has made her look older, and her face looks extremely worn down. And although she's denied getting Botox and plastic surgery, rumors have been swirling for years that her face isn't totally natural. Cameron Diaz. Diaz was once a fresh-faced beauty who stunned in movies like The Mask and Charlie's Angels. She has admitted to dabbling in Botox, but realized that wasn't how she wanted her face to look. She's aged naturally, embracing her crow's feet and laugh lines. But there's no doubt that she's aged faster than normal, and at the age of 43, she's looking much more like she's in her mid-50s. Demi Moore. Demi Moore has not aged so gracefully with heavy skin, wrinkles, and a tired-looking complexion. This summer's photo surfaced of her face looking extremely lumpy and swollen. She denied having plastic surgery, but adding to the stress of her divorce from Ashton Kutcher. Any of the work done could have ruined her pretty face. What other stars you know of age horribly? Let us know below, and don't forget to subscribe to The Taco.